Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the RATS2.0 token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. The other RATS token, the RATS2.0 token, just got listed on this central exchange, and now we have the RATS2.0 token being listed on there as well. So this is also a Bitcoin ordinal NFT project similar to the RATS2.0 token. If you're familiar with that one, ticker symbol RAT. Check out my video I just uploaded on the RATS2.0 token. But now we have RATS2.0, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So, I could already tell a big difference here with tokens. So the RATS2.0 token is a BRC20 token. I believe it was cross-chain too with Ethereum. Don't quote me on that, but as far as I remember, I think it was BRC20 and Ethereum. This token, the RATS2.0 token, this one is on the Binance Smart Chain. And very brand new project. I'm looking at their BSC scan right now. It says only 3 holders. So it's safe to say that tomorrow's central exchange listing is going to be their initial listing date, just period. It says ticker symbol here on their BSC scan is RATS2.0. Name of the token is RATS and then a space Pro. 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 100 million RATS2 tokens. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 7th at 12 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and you would search RATS2. Now the real ticker symbol is RATS2.0, all one word, but on Mexc Global all you have to search is RATS and then 2, all one word. So that's the ticker symbol on Mexc, and then you would simply just buy the token. So it's a Bitcoin ordinal NFT project coming to Mexc Global. It celebrates the original Bitcoin wizard created by Maven's Bot, the original digital artist behind Bitcoin Wizard. Interesting. So they have a Telegram you could follow, which is at RATSPro02. And they have 10,327 members on the Telegram so far, so they're doing very well. Now, you can go over to their official webpage, which is ratspro.org. You can change the language over there. It has a white paper. It has a Trade Now button, inscriptions, connection, home. It says sub 100K. Ordinals are inscribed with numbers. First is first. So if you click on the white paper, it'll take you over to ratspro.gitbook.io/white-paper. So RATS2.0 is a Bitcoin ordinal NFT project, celebrates the Bitcoin wizard created by Maven's Bot, the original digital artist. RATS2.0 is the iconic ad promoting the Bitcoin Reddit subreddit. It quickly became the most popular ad on Reddit. Interesting. Actually, I don't have a Reddit account. But there's been some very popular Reddit tokens. One of them is the Fortnite token, and then I believe the other one was a moon token. I did videos on these a long time ago. Yeah, I think there's a Fortnite one, and then there's one called Moon, I believe. And there might be even another one involved with the Moon one, but I forget the name of it. Brick or something like that. I think it's Brick. Maybe that's the Fortnite one, is called Brick. So RATS Pro is an open source and community funded project. The current lead maintainer of RATS is RAFJAF. So it sounds like this is translated just the way that it reads. I'm having to correct grammar as I go, so just be aware the grammar might be off. I think it is translated, and that's why you could change the language on their webpage. Whatever you could change it to is probably the original language that this is done in. So it says RAFJAF's work on RATS is entirely funded by donations. If you can, please consider donating. So I guess you would do that through this. They have a donate button, I believe, on their webpage and probably on the Reddit as well. It says both addresses are in 2 of 4 multi-sig wallets with keys held by RAFJAF, Aaron, Rod Armor, and Ordinally. Donations received will go towards funding maintenance and development of ORD, as well as hosting costs for RATS Pro. It says, thank you for donating. So then it has guides. So if you want to go through the guides, they have the Explorer Guide. They have the Inscription Guide. So then they have the Batch Inscribing. They have Our Inscriptions. This is all on their document section, their white paper. And then they have token information. It says initial assurance is 100 million. Additional assurance will be carried out later based on ecological construction. So on their webpage, they also have a link to a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project at RATSPro2 on Twitter. And it has a link to their webpage. 12,900 Twitter followers, almost 100 tweets. On here, you can find their new Mexc global listing. They talk about that, and yeah, and you're gonna find other listings here. They had info about their pre-sale. So this token will be available on Mexc tomorrow. So on their webpage, it says RATS Pro is a non-custodial wallet and marketplace built specifically for Bitcoin enthusiasts. Help fund RATS Pro, a completely self-funded operation. Help us launch more nodes to secure Bitcoin. It has a donate button. So far it says $50 million plus in total volume, 450,000 ordinals inscribed, 470,000 wallets created, 150,000 successful trades. They show their recent collections here of these ordinals. They have one called Mutaverse, Tap Sago, it looks like, NatMap, etc. A whole bunch of them. And yeah, then they go through the recent sales inscriptions, and then they have get a setup reminder here. It says we're constantly launching new projects, so you can subscribe to like a newsletter if you want to stay up to date with that. The transition from fiat to digital currencies will be steady, gradual, and then sudden. That's what it says at the bottom of their webpage. So pretty cool project. Basically, you can click all the buttons and do all the things on their webpage, but if you want all the information and all the guides on how to do each thing, you would want to click on their white paper, which is available on their webpage, ratspro.org. And you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global December 7th, 12 o'clock UTC time. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.